David.
David, nice to meet you. I'm super excited about your unveiling today.
Yeah, so am I. And Elvis and the guys have been working on this car for about a good year and 9 months.
A whole year and 9 months? That is amazing. You've been waiting a long time.
And I have, yes.
You'll be able to see yourself later. She's from Know How TV.
Oh, Know How TV?
Yes. It won't be on there today. She has to go back and she has to edit things, probably about a week and a half, and she'll have you on YouTube.
Oh, so this is a pre-recorded.
It is.
Okay.
Yes, it's gonna be awesome.
Hello, YouTube.
I gave them some prices, what it could cost to build a car from scratch, or you can go out and buy a car, but sometimes you don't always know what you buy. They went and bought a car. It looked very nice. David drove it for, I think, a few years and enjoyed it, and now it's time to get it painted. So we talked about either stripping it down to bare metal or going over the top. And if the paint ain't bubbling or peeling or whatever looks stable, we can go over the top. But if something fails, it's going to take my paint with it, and we can't warranty that. So, but we took those chances and we started working on it, and then all of a sudden we found what I call sin, which means whoever did it shouldn't have did that. And so what happens next is I called Dave and Bill down. They came and they, oh yeah, let's strip it to bare metal. We found out that the car was a vinyl top car. Whoever did the work, they just took body fillers, smeared up all the holes. There's probably 30 to 40, 50 holes in the roof from being rotted out because of the vinyl top. David's car started out as supposed to be a 3-month restoration until we found all the wrong things. We put the car on hold. It sat for probably 6 to 8 months, didn't do anything with it, got back on it, we finished it. David's a very special young man. He self-sustains, he drives, he goes to car shows by himself. What I thought was a joke wasn't a joke. He actually went down to Road America and ran the car on the track. And when his dad found out, I guess that was like a total shocker. David, what got you into wanting an older car?
At first, once I graduated from high school, I wanted to race at that Golden Sand Speedway. But according to my dad,
I don't have the time, talent, or initiative to fix a car that you or somebody else crashes every week.
Truth.
yeah, so he got me into this car show gig that, and he said, instead of just tearing up a car every week and make a couple of enemies along the way, we would get a vintage car just like this, and better yet, first of its kind in the muscle genre, and fix it one, and yeah, take it to shows.
All right, so what made you pick, I will tell everybody right now, a 64 and a half Mustang. What made you pick a Mustang?
And it's the first of its kind that it stresses the 64 and a half part, and the parts to get for them are very accessible and very affordable.
All right, good. That's true. You did some research. Your dad, Bill, he saw the color. He liked it. He came up and he says, Dave, he says, you're going to love it. That bright yellow really looks good. And I wish I had a camera rolling because the look on your face was like, what the? It's not been our biggest reveal here or the most money spent or whatever, but the response was just amazing. And for you to say it's the biggest one you ever saw, I mean, that really does say something about it. So thank you for that.
Yes, and I just am in love with not only the color, but the fact that he wanted to choose something that was original for the Ford Mustang as far as color goes. And I think it is just so beautiful and so classic. And you're like one of the best painters in the world. Let's just be real. You are. I mean, just own it. But, you did a phenomenal job. I don't see a single mistake on it. And what a great, great backstory. And I just want to know, what does this really mean to you personally?
I'm just very humble about my paint jobs. I'm not the best painter in the world, I'll tell you that right now. But I'm very proud of what we do. I've been doing it in my own shop for 35 years, and I did it 6 years before that as a young teenager growing up. So I've been doing it for over 40 years painting. So I know my stuff and I know what to do. It was very emotional for me because I was very proud to do this car for that family and David. And it meant a lot to me, and the family members that they had there and the friends that they had there. I mean, coming up and the hugs and the handshakes, it was amazing. It seriously was. It just meant the world to me yesterday.
It took quite a bit of a decision for me to change from Wimbledon white to another color.
David started rattling off stuff that I didn't know. He's talking, there's only 9 colors and 64 and a half, and they only use them on that year, and he's going on, and I'm just like, wow, thanks for that history lesson.
Wasn't that amazing?
It was.
There are like a select 9 colors that are only available on a 64 and a half era. They never appeared again in the 65 and beyond years ahead.
All right, good enough. That's excellent.
So did you pick the color of the car that you wanted?
I do, but I think it'll be more exciting to reveal it,
Okay.
and then I'll say what it is.
Okay, lips sealed.
Yeah, lips sealed. We'll go with that.
The unveiling's gonna be coming up really fast, so stay tuned and we're gonna go see this happen.
When something gets, in me here, it's very emotional, and some people handle it fine, and some people like me, I mean, it's not that hard for me to tear up if it's very emotional and it hits me in the soul.
And if you're in the Wisconsin area, give him a call. He's a phenomenal painter in this industry. And I just wanted to put that out there. I didn't know if you wanted to say that or not, but I have to, because you know what? It's the truth. So you do a great job. Every single car that I see you have painted blows me away.
Oh, cool. Thank you very much.
So last year's build, we did the Pro Street 69 Bel Air, pretty cool exotic car, and we did a 63 split window Corvette. But every build's not about building a better car. Some is about the history, what the car is about, what the individual's about. This is a paint job. This isn't a full-blown restoration. This isn't like going to go to SEMA and win awards. This is going to go to car shows, have a good time, win awards at local car shows, and put joy and smiles on the owner's new face of this car. So with that being said, this belongs to a 29-year-old man named
David.
You got this, Bill.
I'm emotional, right? This story means a lot to me because there's some things involved here that mean a lot to me in life and how long we're going to be here, and we all have a life that we're capable of doing, and I've been very blessed. Thank you, Lord. David has got autism, and talking to his dad, they worked real hard with him to make him the individual that he is today. So David's overcome a lot of that. He drives cars, he goes to car shows, enjoys it. He's come and visited me all by himself, looked at the car. And knowing him the way that I know him, I'm very excited, very happy, and very proud of you. I think it's time. Let's give him his car.
Thank you so much.
Come on, let's go take a look at it. Oh, it's called
Cascade Green.
Cascade Green. Thank you. See? So.
This is so cool.
Damn it,
Oh yeah, the sun makes it scream, look at me.
Just the other day, I asked her a question. She's like, "What?" I'm like, "Huh?" I'm like, "What? Huh?" And she does that to you. She just did that to you. You're like, "What?" You're like, "Huh?" You're like, "What?" You're like, "Huh?" I'm like, "Are you fucking serious? There's 2 girls here that are doing the same."
We just do it like it's old hat.
So you know how to.
She was just saying that she couldn't hear after you started your car.
What?
What?
Perfect.
Jesus. That was a bell ringer.